Right, I mean, just look at this. It's beautiful. What I could do with this field if it was mine. Oh, think of the size of polytunnel I could get in there. Never mind. We can dream. Right. I've actually got to, let's get out the sun. I've got to net these now because I'm getting lots of flowers. It just needs a quick weed. I'll give it a bit of a mulch. And that on both sides. And then get some netting over it. I also want to harvest a whole load of this before it goes to seed. I might just chop it off, take it in and then deal with it later on because I want to plant some, possibly going to do my sweet peas up this archway. So that's another to-do list. Add that on. And then, you saw us doing this morning, my carrot box. So, I mean, still not, even this netting has got some holes in, but hopefully that'll be okay. Yeah, get some more carrots in there. I keep checking. Oh my God, yes, I know I've not netted this, so I am in for a bashing probably, but the garlic in the greenhouse that I spotted, the telltale signs of allium leaf miner, I have now pulled out, and they will be burnt, disposed of. Definitely not in the compost, but hopefully I might get some anyway. I don't want a massive amount, but just some. Right, last lot of in-ground potatoes going in, and then I've got a load of leftover ones to go in buckets, but it's just absolutely gorgeous today. So we're going to get these. I'm determined to get these in. Now, It's our little lodger for the weekend. He's 17, deaf, pretty much. Aren't you? Come here, come here. Come round here. Stubborn, aren't you? Come on. Are you camera shy? I don't think so. Right, how many am I going to get in here? 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to get 5 in here. It's not a massive bed, but... Oi! Oi! No. Needless to say, we have not seen Noddy all weekend, apart from Friday, when they met nose to nose coming down the path. Oi, come here. Come here. Look. Come and say hello. Look. Hey? Yeah, you're a gorgeous boy, aren't you? Hmm? He's so good. He just... Hey? Very quiet. And yeah, you're a little old man. Hmm? Go on then. Go on then. Yeah, he comes and spends his holidays and any weekends with us, which is lovely. He's going home later today, so only a short one this time, isn't it, mate? Right, let's get these in. My first earlies are actually coming up. I'll take that one off actually. There's a lot on that one. Yeah, they're actually pushing the soil up now. Should really put my gloves on for this. But it is what it is. It's going to be a mass parting out session this week, as well as trying to get the rest of my jobs done. But the forecast is like this pretty much all week. So that'll do me. Right. Right. These are actually my saved sea potatoes that were kindly given to me last year by Mel, and I did actually remember to keep some. Don't want that in there. Right, actually stuck a label in already. Onwards and upwards now. Right, give me 2 minutes. Yeah, I think I'm going to pick a whole load of this spinach. because it needs coming out, and I think it's going to bolt before long. So I'll do that shortly. Looks like I'm going to have a busy afternoon preserving stuff. Right. Okay, let's go and help Mr. H just move this bench, and I'll be back in a moment. Right, well, that actually turned into a bacon sarnie interlude there. Much better. Now this is covered in weeds. Well, I say weeds. I've got a funny feeling they're actually foxgloves. And I don't want that many in here. I don't want any of them. So we will, the label there, what was that for? Well, that's not in there anyway. So this is going to take me a little while